cells. Leave that open or leave it closed.
Put more rounds in our pockets.
You got pistol mags loaded up?
Pistol mags.
Shotgun round.
Yeah, we're going to do more shotgun.
And on the move, I want you to hit 6 and 4 2 times. Okay, check, go.
Everybody gone?
Yeah. Well, no. Junior's got to go. One more. Here's the last one. Where's the trash can for these?
Right over here.
There's a bucket right here.
Oh, okay.
Hold down. If that thing's not visible, check your surroundings. Check in front. Check in back. There may be a time like right now.
These yours, Junior? I'm assuming these are ours.
Oh, thanks, man.
No problem. You're over there taking pictures.
Having those in your pockets like that.
I'm going to have to do something with my boots when I get home.
Right from here, you see.
They're my duty boots.
All right, next guy.
Oh, you want video? Hold on a sec. I'm going to pop it. You know what? All these slugs are shooting high. Yeah. Yeah. Probably both. We started to add it. Mine, I had to go literally halfway down. Now you know where you're starting. You're gonna make us look good. That's okay. I'll beat you dinner. I'll buy you dinner tonight. Oh wait, that's free. Pay for that.
You guys eating at the galley?
Yeah.
How is it?